What's up, Rated R Cars family? So, Esquire magazine just spilled the beans on the new Corvette C8, and here's what it looks like. First of all, let's talk about the engine. This is a 6.2 liter V8 that is putting out 495 horsepower and a respectable 470 pound-feet of torque. A little bit light, but this is the base model. Equipped with a performance package, this car will go 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. The performance package is reportedly going to upgrade the brakes, the cooling system, and have a meaner exhaust note. The C8 will have an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. And the bad news for those of us who like manuals, who like to row our own gears, for now there's not going to be a manual option. No! Look, I get it. The autos are faster if you're drag racing. I drive a GT350. It's a manual. I love it. It's awesome. It works well in the road course for the track. It's also super fun in the street. I really hope they bring a manual option to the C8. But with that very impressive 0 to 60 time, you can bet this automatic is going to be a super fast shifter. In terms of aesthetics, the C8 will have a removable roof and it will have 2 trunk storage spaces. It looks like there's going to be 12 different colors, including Rapid Blue, Zeus Bronze, and Accelerate Yellow. Sounds awesome, can't wait to see them. So beyond that, you're going to have to wait another hour to get the official release from Corvette, but I wanted to bring you this as quickly as possible. What do you guys think of the design? I think it's awesome. I love the sleek looks. I love that air intake on the sides. I love the mid-engine design. I love the back end of this. I love the spoiler. The only thing I'm not really super excited about is those Camaro-esque taillights. And also on the inside, it has like this really long strip of buttons. Not sure if I'm feeling that yet. Tell me what you guys think in the description. Anyway, I'm super excited about the C8. I am really looking forward to see what the higher end versions of it are going to look like. In the meantime, let's discuss. Always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. See you in the next one.